tube. No, Seth, that was not nice. I got stuck under that water before.